Hi, my name is Shelley Solberg and I'm the creator of Let's Play Music. Welcome to the final year of Let's Play Music. The Purple Magic semester is a fun, fantastic, frenzied finale of your Let's Play Music experience. The music theory that is presented in the Purple semester is college level theory. The overall learning experience is truly profound as the students will sit and sing about changing keys while their hands transpose the notes, their ears hear the sounds, and their eyes recognize the intervals, chords, and rhythms. It is an amazing thing to witness this development of the complete musician. In Purple Magic, we learn that there are magic keys. Those flats and sharps have the power to change where do is. So we will learn about key signatures and transposing, and the magic part of it is that your child, since they've already trained their ear to hear the intervals in any key, they will be able to transpose easily and fluidly, unlike an adult who learns the same skills. This semester we will also make important discoveries about our rhythms. Remember our bug friends? They're going to get the actual names of their rhythms. So the bug will become a quarter note and the beetle will become 2 eighth notes. Your musician is developing into a complete musician who is functional and literate in every aspect of music. So learning the real names of the rhythm notes is part of transitioning to the real world of musicianship. We will also be learning how to subdivide, how many counts are in each measure, and we'll be learning about time signatures, repeat signs, and bar lines. This really is where the literacy shines through, and we are building upon all of that foundational knowledge from the first and second year. As with second year, home practice needs to be positive, encouraging, and fun. Resist the urge to criticize or to remind, and instead invite, compliment, and encourage. Your practice home environment can be fun and exciting. If you're having challenges, ask your teacher for pointers. You will be amazed as your child puts together the skills and concepts that they've learned in the past and truly begins to shine in this semester, the Purple Magic semester of Let's Play Music. We're so glad that you're here. Welcome aboard.